We welcome you to the neighborhood. This is the Fluidart of Oz collaboration with 27 artists over 3 huge days. And on day 1 we have Julie Eber from Art by Julie E, Kaylin Simmons from Venom Fluidart, Christy Connolly from Creations by Christy, Chris Glatte from Chris Glatte Art, Michelle Johnson from Royal River Art, Kristen and Kayla from K&K Create, Shannon Baxman from Shambi Fluidart, Kerry Leyland from KLArtistic, Laurie Houston from Laurie Houston Art, and on day 2 we've got Janice Pittman from Just Janice, Kelly Stowell from Feral Art, Darren Nixon from Venom Fluidart, Jeanette Winninger from Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, Anna Blunt from Anna Blunt Art, Lisa Marvin from Lisa Marvin Art, Tony Pender from Hippie Dippy Painter Man, Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art, Donna Cipriano from It's Art by Donna, and on day 3 we have Laurie Finzer from Art by Sparkle, Taslima Mayer from Taslima Mayer Art, Tracy Paradis from Perfections Art by Tracy, Garrick Brown from Garrick Brown Art Studio, Moose from Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas, Mary Kirk from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, Raina Thielen from Raina Thielen, the Witch of What the Angie Mason from Angie Mason Fluid Art. And hosting the Fluid of Oz, we've got Nathan Lindsell from The Fine Art of Distraction. So come join in the fun over 3 huge days where all 27 artists choose their favourite scene from the movie The Wizard of Oz and use the colours from that scene to paint with. The artists can do any technique they want, so you will see lots of magic happening. So sit back and enjoy the Fluid of Oz, an artist collaboration.